Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Escape key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button, usually on the side or back. Press it firmly and slide out the emergency key blade. Next, locate the small notch on the fob's edge. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the casing. Be gentle to avoid damage. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely shut. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Once everything is back in place, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure it's working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.